Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to use Clerk API. We provide REST API that you can use to extend Clerk apps functionality or make integrations with your systems. A good starting point is this Help Center article. It has links to all documentation. We provide the same API that is used by our apps. That means that any feature you see in the app could be accessed via the API. Plus, you can use Browser Network Inspector to investigate how every endpoint works, and then you can replicate this behavior in your scripts. Let's open the Network Inspector. Click Inspect, then go to Network tab. We can filter requests by /apps to show requests from Clerk apps only, and filter by XHR requests. Let's open a list of invoices for October, for example. And we can see this request. We can check its headers, and we can check the response. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.